You're killing yourself. This is so easy. Anytime somebody says thank and you together, hey, you couldn't do me a small favor, could you? Sure. There's one of you, I'm not going to say who he is. Hi, he just got a huge promotion at his job. He's on the video testimonials twice, right? Because he's calling me, Matt, thanks, man, dude, they just called me. I got my own territory. I'm no longer a BDR. I'm doing this. I'm crushing it. By the way, he's crushing it. What's up, man? I'm not going to call you out, but I'm like, hey, no problem. And any way you could point your phone at your face and say that, the first video testimonial I have from him, I swear it's dark, and he just parked his car from like a business dinner, and he called me. He's like, I'm so sorry to bother you this late at night. I just had the best dinner meeting ever with a client and my boss. And I'm like, dude, can you point your phone at your face and say that? He's like, absolutely. That's how I got to, sorry guys, that's how I got 2,000 of them is, hey, can you point your phone at your face and just record whatever and send that to me? So you guys should all be collecting those kinds of things,